Hi there, students. A factotum. Okay, a factotum is a person whose job it is to do all types of different things for somebody. So when I first arrived in the office, I was general factotum for everybody. I had to do all sorts of different jobs. Okay, so a factotum, a person who has many diverse and different jobs and responsibilities. Yeah, the office factotum. To be a good factotum, you really need to be a jack of all trades. Okay, this is like an assistant who does everything that's necessary. So I don't know. I was my boss's factotum. I had to organise his business trips, organise the hotels, organise the hire car, talk to clients, send emails for him. Okay, and this is the idea of a factotum, somebody who does what is needed to be done. Yeah, like a general assistant. Let's see, I think in the old days in a big house, the butler was the factotum. Yeah, the person who organized whatever needed to be organized. Okay, so a factotum, yeah, it's somebody who's generally employed in a company to do whatever's necessary. So yeah, I suppose a jack of all trades. I'm a bit of a factotum. I can do just about anything. Okay, so you're going to ask about the formality of this word. I think I would give it a 6 in formality. It sounds rather posh, though. I think more informally, I might use the word a dog's body or a gopher. Gopher. Go for it. Yeah? The dog's body, to do all the dirty jobs that nobody else is going to do. Yeah. Deliver the mail, make sure there's enough coffee, work out the work rota, deal with customer complaints, answer the phone, fix meetings, all the different things that need to be doing. Oh, sorry, that need to be done, that need doing, not need to be doing, that need doing. Okay, so let's see. I said a 6 or a 6.5 in formality. I think I might use the word dog's body more informally, but as I said, it sounds a little bit posh. And then as to origin, well, it comes from New Latin, factotum, literally meaning do everything, from facio in Latin, or fac, do, the imperative, do, and then totum, everything. Okay, this is actually quite an old word. It's been used since the mid-16th century. But this is a person whose duty is to do whatever is necessary or whatever needs to be done. I guess you could call this, but yeah, a handyman. But a handyman's only supposed to repair things. A factotum does everything. So yeah, he's his wife's general factotum and bottle washer, as they put it. The chef in the kitchen is there to make the food, and then he has a factotum to do whatever is necessary. I think factotum nowadays is probably most commonly used in a business sense. I suppose a good manager must be a general factotum. Yeah, he's got to buy things for his department. He's got to organise all sorts of things. Yes, I was the general factotum for the company of actors. I had to organise everything that needed doing. Okay, so that's the idea of this word, a factotum. A factotum, somebody who does everything or anything that needs doing at any one time. Okay, so a factotum. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Factotum.